Hi everyone, welcome back to our Pi News Update. April 17, Thursday, 9:10 p.m. Manila time. Okay, I noticed something interesting. Okay, with our Pi Network app. Okay, we will notice here I have 980.09 Pi mining and counting. Okay, if I'm going to click on the mining rate, okay, we will see here that my total mining rate based on the date and time of this recording is 0.0107 pi per hour. Okay, guys, kindly stay on this video and do not skip anything. I'm about to uncover something important, especially if you're a Pi pioneer and you're still continuing to mine Pi coins. Okay, so based on my current situation for the Pi network, um, I have my base rate at 0.0029 pi per hour. I have five members under my security circle. As of the recording of this video, I don't have any lockup award, but I have the option to configure my lockup reward settings. I can try to lock up my remaining Pi coins if I decide to, okay? And that will also increase my total mining rate. Okay, so for the rewards, this is the breakdown, okay? Under Pioneer Referral Team Utility Usage Bonus, that's our point of discussion for today. And the other one is node bonus, okay? So utility usage bonus, tuning in progress, this value may change, okay? Now, I tried to ask myself, what went differently? Why did my utility usage bonus is suddenly showing value, okay, or additional rewards, okay? Now, guys, recently, if you're going to watch our previous videos on our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 Wallets YouTube channel, me and my wife have decided that we're going to integrate or incorporate the PiCoin digital payments for our sewing and clothing business, okay? So, you can see here this video, Pi Commerce and Map of Pi, featuring our sewing and clothing business, Maribet Plus Size Mananahe, okay? So, let me just share this video to you. So, what transpired in this video is that I introduced to our viewers and subscribers and to my wife's buyers and customers that we have incorporated or we are now accepting Pi coins as payments for her sewing and clothing business, plus size female clothing products. Okay, so I have pinned our Maribet Plus Size Mananahe Facebook page on the Map of Pi feature of the Pi browser. And by the end of the video, I also tried to do a time and motion wherein I personally tried to send a payment using the Pi wallet address so that I can prove that the payment option when we are sending or using the pay request option on the Pi wallet is really working. Okay, I did it real time. I also tried to check the price action of Pi real time so that I can ensure the understanding of our viewers and potential buyers on how they can maximize the full potential of the payment system incorporated in the Pi network ecosystem. Okay, so I'm happy to share that the pay request option when I tried to send a payment to my wife's wallet address worked. Okay, and I really have proof through this tutorial that we can leverage our businesses with the help of the Pi ecosystem, Map of Pi, and Pi Commerce specifically. Okay, so for this one, what I'm also trying to point out is that one of the behaviors that changed within me is the habit of always visiting the Pi Network Fireside Forum. Okay, so realizing that I can explore the social media use case of the Pi Network, which is the Fireside Forum, I started to post some images, including video links. Okay, so for example, um, so right now I tried to open my Fireside Forum through the Pi Network app. I'm going to click on my profile. So we will see here that we received 30 fire, okay, in the past 24 hours. So you can treat this as the heart or reaction version on the Fireside Forum on our Pi Network app, okay? So we have here a link of our YouTube video on how to fix the Pi KYC error if the slots are not available. And I also posted some images or memes about Sung Jin Pai. That's only I only coined this idea. So I added a tweak on this post wherein instead of featuring Sung Jin Woo of the Solo Leveling anime, I decided to coin a word or coin a name integrating or incorporating the Pi Network ecosystem. So I came up with Meet Sung Jin Pai, the shadow monarch of Pi Network. Okay, this way I can try to encourage our viewers who are not yet or who have not yet installed the Pi Network to use our invitation code so that they can also explore and appreciate, okay, the use case of the Pi Network. Okay, and I also shared some post from our sewing and clothing business. This is our complete version of the map of Pi, Pi commerce, and the sewing and clothing business tutorial combined in one video, explaining everything on how we can integrate our business, okay, with the Pi ecosystem and maximize the potential of cryptocurrency, okay, as another form of digital payment, okay. Hence, we can provide our customers more payment options, okay, which are more convenient for them. They can save their traditional money or their earned cash from traditional businesses and use Pi coins or the Pi network tokens as means of payment instead. Okay, so if you haven't watched this video, you can watch this one directly on the Fireside Forum on our Pi network app, or you can simply visit our YouTube channel to watch this full video tutorial. Okay, it's very informative, and I really tried to record this video right now so that I can share to you this information that we can still have a chance to increase our Pi mining rate by simply maximizing the utility usage bonus feature on the Pi mobile wallet, okay, or the Pi mobile app. Okay, we just need to engage, okay, with our Pi community through the Fireside Forum, and this will help us increase the um, numerical values we're getting for the utility usage bonus, and that will equate to an increase on our Pi mining rate, and we can mine and earn more Pi coins in the long run. Okay, so I hope you're able to obtain valuable information on this video, and you can always use our referral code Nicobet 1208 if you haven't installed the Pi mobile app yet. Okay, and I would also like to reiterate that all the information on our YouTube channel, Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets are published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on this website is strictly at your own risk, and all the videos or content on our YouTube channel are not financial advice. Always do your own research whenever you're engaging in the cryptocurrency space. Thank you.